Hello and welcome to Shorcut classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. For biotechnology, we cover all the four topics: biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics. So this is the question number 49 from section 3. That means this is a numerical answer type question. Hence, we have to find a numerical value as an answer to this question. So let's see what is in this question. The total number of lone pairs of electrons in NO2F is what? As we know that the Lewis structure of NO2F looks like ONOF okay. So the number of lone pair electron in nitrogen is 0. Number of lone pair electron in nitrogen is 0. Number of lone pair electron in oxygen is 5. Number of lone pair electron in fluorine is 3. Hence the total number of lone pair of electrons in NO2F is 8. Hence the total number of lone pair of electrons in NO2F is 8. That is 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, so the answer of this question is 8. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.